In example 4, we're going to be looking at how to find diameter when given the circumference. Our directions tell us to find the diameter of the circle, use 3.14 for the value of pi, and then round your answer to the nearest whole. So we're also given that the circumference of the circle that we're looking at is 19 feet. So we also know, in addition to the circumference, we know that we're using pi this time as being 3.14. Now, they want us to find out what, in this particular problem, they want us to find out the diameter. So we're going to use our formula that says that circumference is equal to pi times diameter. Now, in this example, I'm going to replace my c with 19 feet. I'm going to say that that's equal to pi, and pi in this example is going to be 3.14. And then we're going to take that times d, the diameter. Now, from here, what I want to do is I want to isolate this d value. And so that means I need to get rid of this 3.14 that's being multiplied to that. So in order to break that apart, I'm going to have to do the inverse operation of division, and I'm going to have to divide this term by what I'm looking to get rid of, which is going to be 3.14. Now, what we divide one side by, that means we're going to have to divide the other side by as well. So in our problem here, we're going to be taking 19 divided by 3.14 in our calculators. And that's going to give us something like 6.05095, and then that number just keeps going on and on and on. And that's going to be what D is approximately equal to, because the 3.14s are going to cancel each other out here when we do this division. And we're only going to be left with that D, or that diameter. Now, in our problem, they tell us that we're looking for the diameter, and they want us to round to the nearest whole number. Well, the nearest whole number is going to be one spot to the left of the decimal. So in order to see if we round this number up to a 7 or leave it as a 6, we have to look at the number that's in the tens place. So, the number that's one place to the right of the decimal. So since this number here in the tens place is 4 or less, that means we're going to leave the number that's in our whole number spot here, this 6, alone. So we're going to say that this is going to be that our diameter is approximately 6 feet. And then that would be our answer to this particular problem.